Welcome back guys to DBK Productions. This is going to be the first part of my test pipe install on my project B5 Quattro. This took me 3 days to do and I'm still only halfway there. Also, I managed to break my tripod mount, so this is going to be a little bit of a wobbly video, and I'm not gonna try to do any voiceovers as there's really not much to cover here. Anyways, enjoy the video and see you next time. Well guys, I didn't film anything before because it was pointless. I was just removing a few bolts and airbox, but as you can see it's not pretty down there and it's real hard to remove the pipe. I've done it so far, it was really hard, but I think I can manage it. So let's keep working. So I finally managed to get it out. I'm not gonna lie, it was a real pain in the ass, but here's the new piece. Right next to the old one. Like, the rest of the downpipe is pretty awful if you ask me, but it's gonna do fine for now. I'm just trying to do simple cat delete for now. And I should probably point it out that my cat is pretty toast, and that's the only reason I'm doing it. Not because I like the gurgle air sound or anything. Like, so this is the second guys. Yesterday was real disappointing. I didn't manage to put the test pipe on, as you can see, but it had a huge exhaust leak, and so today we have to tear it all up again. So at the moment we are so far, I'm trying to remove the turbo because my exhaust flap is, as you can see, and it's rattling all the time. So yeah, it's a pretty big mess. So at the moment we have no luck. Like, I've released all the, I've removed the turbo, but it doesn't give me a lot of slack, so I'm not really able to do anything. I'm also the intercooler hose down there, and yeah, well, it doesn't seem like I'm going to be able to fix the flap. So the day 2 was closing in, and at this time I was supposed to work on the cold air intake and the custom piping for it, but I really did run out of the time and I decided on putting these parts just so I could start the car. And anyways, I would have to disassemble it the next week because I would have to take off the turbo again. So I decided on slapping these parts back on, and I did a few test runs with it. I think I'm done for today. I let the car warm up and took it to a different place. I still have a problem that my middle mount for the exhaust isn't like fully fixed. It's clearly blowing by some exhaust gases, but I mean, you can hear the wastegate flapper jerking around, but other than that everything seems to be working fine. Yeah, that stupid rattling noise is coming from the wastegate flapper. It's hating. Day 3. Instead of working on the car, I should have been working on the amplifiers, but still that's not happening because we're having some exhaust leaks, so this is gonna have to stay for another video. But now let's go back and keep working on the car.
Appreciate.